We are on another topic now. This is hello. We are going for another topic. This is the same feed formula, broiler feed formula using BSF Larvae me. So we are through with super starter. Let's try starter feed, 21% crude protein, and see what we can get. Here we have serial number, we have feed raw materials, we have quantity of the feed, we have the crude protein of each of those feed raw materials, and we have the crude protein calculation per each of the feed. This is broiler starter feed. Let's get there. Right now we have cornmeal. Cornmeal here we have 42%. That is 42 kg. Now, for us to get the crude protein content, 42 times 9 divided by 100 equals 3.78. Next one is we are going for soya bean. Here, soya bean is we're using 5. 5 times 45 divided by 100. That will give us 2.25. Next one is groundnut cake. We are using 5%. Five kg. 5 times 2.25. Next one is wheat offal. We're using 10 kg. 10 times 1.5. Next one is rice bran. Rice bran, we are using 7 kg. Seven times 14 divided by 100. 0.98. Next one is pancake cake. That's PKC. We're using 5%. Or 5 kg. 5 times 18 divided by 100. 0.9. Next one is BSF Larvae. We are using 10 kg. Ten times 40 equals 4.0. The next one is blood meal. For blood meal here, we're using 6 kg. 6 times 80 divided by 100. 4.8. This is 4.8. So right now we are going for bone and meat meal. Bone and meat meal, we are using 5 kg. 5 times 50 divided by 100, which is 2.5. That is 2.5 times 2.5. So now let's add up. Here we have limestone. Limestone has no protein. Premix has no protein. Salt no protein. Maintain all this one 0.0000000. Now let's calculate. Let's get all this. So here you should note that this one should be here. Please. Now let's add up all this to get our crude protein for this feed. This will give us 3.75 plus 2.25 plus 2.25 plus 1.5 plus 0.98 plus 0.9 plus 4 plus 4.8 plus 2.5. This will give us 22.9. You can see that this is broiler starter feed. 22.9% CP. This is what this particular feed. Please, this is what this feed gives you. If you like this video and you like this content, please give it a thumb up right now. It doesn't cost you anything to tap thumb up. Comment if you want me to develop the broiler grower for you. Remember that broiler grower helps your broilers to have height and to get enough calcium to withstand the weight which finisher will give them. If not, that's why most of the times you see your broilers crawling, you see your broilers having deformities, you see your broilers being paralyzed because you don't give them growers. Growers always help them to have enough height and to withstand the weight. So if you want me to develop that formula, please drop it in the comment section. And if you like this video, give it a thumb up. This is your first time of coming across this channel. You are in this particular channel through this video. Please drop it in the comment section so that we'll give you a shout out. And share this video to reach more farmers, your friends and your colleagues in the business. Thank you. Till I hear from you on the comment section before I know if I will actually go for grower and finisher or not. Thank you. Bye for now.